Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure HONOR X8a for a senior person. This first we'll need to open our settings. Inside we can look for the simple mode in the search, so click on it and enter simple. Then find this icon, click on it, then enable. And here you will enter the simple mode. As you can see, your phone entirely changes. The icons becomes much bigger as well as the text. We can also navigate to the settings, and there should be a bit limited, and so that you can't break anything on your phone accidentally. Then we can exit the simple mode by clicking on this icon right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.